Parliament adjourned a record 66 times for lack of quorum amid concerns that the MPs are increasingly becoming insensitive and unresponsive to the plight of Kenyans. In the latest scorecard report by Mzalendo Trust, a parliamentary watchdog, the National Assembly adjourned 40 times while the Senate business aborted 26 times for lack of required numbers. The development cast a spotlight on the commitment of the highly paid lawmakers to pass laws and policies and safeguard the electorate's interest. In the National Assembly, since August 2023, 40 sittings out of 158 were adjourned due to lack of quorum, which translates to 25% of the total sittings, the report states. Further, 2 sittings didn't happen at all, one of them being the morning after a vote on the impeachment of the former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua took place. Noteworthy, some of the instances where there was a lack of quorum were on days when there were critical issues, Mzalendo said. The Senate was no different, as 26 sittings out of a total of 177 sittings were adjourned due to lack of quorum, translating to 15% of the total sittings. Of the 26, 6 failed to happen for failure to achieve attendance of at least 15 senators. Also in the Senate, as it was in the National Assembly, critical issues had been scheduled on the order paper in the instances where quorum could not be achieved, the report says. According to the report, MPs have disregarded Kenyans' input in the passage of crucial bills and motions, triggering a disconnect between Kenyans' needs and MPs. Whilst there has been an increase in legislative output this year in the form of bills, Kenyans' sentiments and needs continue to be pushed to the periphery, especially in key legislations, the report states. However, despite the growing concern, citizens' voices remain muted in legislative priorities, with Parliament incessantly failing to align its work with electorate's needs and aspirations.